story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
I'm going to my brother's grave. Yeah, I'm gonna bring some birthday balloons and flowers there. You know, he passed away. So, you know, it's on the right to do the right thing, right? Yeah, so getting some flowers. I'm at the store now. You know, so see you guys when I get there. So at the cemetery. I walk by people's grave and I know people. It's people. You see, where my brother is at. This one's right there. Yeah, over here does always look nice. You know, sometimes you make a grave them bushy. But I have to keep over here clean.
Yeah, you're right.
Have two light run. See birthday balloon beside it. See down I say. Yes. See that?
Yeah. So it's a really long time.
Yeah, I want. My brother grave, guys. So you go and tie that mocha.
Yes, no tie.
Tie around this.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure you tie around it.
Type, yeah.
Yes, you can let go. So in the night them I go glow.
Oh, no, yeah.
Light up, yeah.
Have you ever taken carries?
Yeah.
Let me.
Shake it down, man. If rain fall tonight, you go beat down. Let me put this around myself too. So now just fly away. Yeah, I'm gonna type on the next rose. That's soldier. This guy's the right highway. Can remember one time you said they were full up, Sina?
Yeah.
You see full up? You see the grave the fresh right there, Sina? Behind you. The one the fresh. The one the over there's a fresh. So yeah, that me I tell you say fresh. I see the one the over there's a fresh too. Them no them don't put on him mad pan yet.
Yes, I reset it.
But then keep it clean over here, man. Real clean. Yeah. Remember this one, cause yeah, so we go do game. Yeah, game. Yeah, so what them love you have to put it on. Only thing I don't know whether if I saw it go or if I saw it go, you know? Whenever I saw it go or if I saw it go. This paper so. The flowers them stay there long, you know? Because if the rain fall upon them, then the water, the grass them grow through it. Then in the night now, when me a pass, I don't know exactly which part it is. Because the right eye front door they glow.
The front part.
Remember say me a pass on the highway so. I will drive past. You will see it just say me a come.
That's the light.
You go see like glow in the eye. You see start come on? You see start come on? You go glow in the night. You go light up. A couple people have them around and something, you know. So this is the cemetery where my brother is in. guys. Today's a sad day for me.